Failure will never overtake you. If your determination to succeed is strong enough, only you can change your life. No one can do it for you. Friends, God has given us only one life. So whatever you want to do, just do it. Follow your dreams, follow your heart, and follow your passion. Hey guys, you are watching Technical Janam YouTube channel. I am Janam Saraiya and welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing of Realme 2 Pro. And yes, if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to like, share and comment it. Okay, let's quickly open this Flipkart box and I will show you the retail box of Realme 2 Pro. So this is my second phone from Flipkart after Nokia 5.1 Plus. And if you're really interested in Nokia 5.1 Plus review and unboxing, I'm giving you a link in the description box, also in the I button, somewhere blinking on the top of the video. The box has a red and white color combination. On the box, we have a Realme 2 Pro branding and other information like camera, weight, dimension, maximum retail price, month and year of manufacture. And yes, this phone has manufactured by Oppo Mobiles India Private Limited. So still they have partnership with Oppo Mobile. For service and support, we still have to rely on Oppo Mobile. On the back, they have written Made in India. Let me cut this plastic with the use of knife and I will show you the box contains. It's always great feeling to open any box. As soon as we open the box, we are getting another box. And I think in this box, we have some paperwork. Let me open this box. Okay, we have TPU case also. It's very nice gesture that nowadays, companies have bundled TPU case with their boxes. The quality of the TPU case seems to be very great. It has soft touch feeling. Now let me bring this phone out of the box. I have purchased Blue Ocean color with 64GB internals and 4GB RAM. Also this phone comes with other two variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB internals, and second one is 8GB RAM, 128GB internals. But I think base variant that I have purchased is more value for money compared to other two variants. I'm just astounded. As soon as I touch this phone, the phone feels very premium. I'm really appreciate the effort of Realme. They have done great job. Also the phone has pre-applied screen guard. Let me put this phone aside and I will show you the other box contains. First we have Oppo branding charger. Let me check the power rating. Okay, it's not a fast charger. The power rating of the charger is 5V 2A. We are also getting standard USB to micro USB cable. Let me open this cable and I will show you the quality of the cable. I think from my point of view, company should have put a USB Type-C instead of a micro USB. The cable is adequately long. Okay, that's it. These are all the box contains. I have forgotten to tell you that also we have gotten SIM ejector tool. Now let me turn on this phone. Before I jump into the specification, let me quickly set up this phone. If you want to buy this phone, then I will give you the link in the description box. The price of this variant is 13,990. Okay, now I will give you the configuration overview. The phone comes in three colors, Blue Ocean, Black Sea and Ice Lake. Let's talk about the display. The phone has 6.3 inches, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, IPS LCD with screen resolution 2340 by 1080 Full HD display. It has 408 pixel per inch. The screen to body ratio is 90.8% with dew drop notch. Also we can say the water drop notch. On top of the display, we have a 2.5D Gorilla Glass 3. You can see the dimension information on the screen. The phone has 3500 mAh battery. Let's talk about the camera compartment. On the rear, we have a dual camera. The main camera is 16 megapixel Sony IMX398 sensor, f1.7 aperture, and second one is for depth sensing, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture with LED flash. On the front, we have a 16 megapixel sensor with 2.0 aperture. Both rear and front camera support HDR and bokeh effect. I have already told about the three variants, but the thing is that I have to tell you about the last variant. The last variant, which comes with 128GB internals and 8GB RAM, that has UFS 2.1 storage. The Realme 2 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AI Octa-core processor, and the CPU frequency is 1.95 GHz. It has equipped with Adreno GPU 512. I must tell you, this is one of the best processor in mid-range smartphones so far. On the software side, we have ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Also, we have a bunch of sensors like light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and fingerprint sensor. Now, I will give you the physical overview. On the front, we have a Full HD Plus water drop display, and in the water drop display, we have a front-facing camera. Above the camera, we have an earpiece. The placement of the earpiece is perfectly okay. The bezels are very minimal. On the right side, we have a power button, and on the left side, we have a volume rocker and SIM tray. I'm happy to see that this is not a hybrid solution, so you can put dedicated memory card with 2 SIM. On the bottom, we have a micro USB port with speaker, main microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the top, we have a secondary microphone. And finally, on the back, we have a dual camera setup, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, and Realme branding. Now I am quickly setting up the fingerprint scanner, and I will show you how fast is it. Tap, unlock. Tap, unlock. Okay, the fingerprint scanner is very fast. Okay, now it's time for the face unlock. Let me set up face unlock quickly. Okay, the face unlock is working perfectly. As soon as we see the phone, immediately it unlocks the phone. In a nutshell, I would say that the Realme 2 Pro delivers well on its promise of being a powerful phone with powerful processor with 4GB, 6GB, 8GB RAM option and 64GB, 128GB storage. I have played various games on this phone, and I must say the games are running perfectly. Although it has a 15-layer fiber bag, it feels like glass. Everything has been designed perfectly. Design is the highlight point of this phone. Display is immensely gorgeous with tiny notch, and the viewing angle is great. I'm pleased that the base variant comes with 64GB storage. In camera department, Realme has done great job, especially in the rear main camera that has 1.7 aperture. Yes, this is the same Sony sensor that has come in OnePlus 5T. In the video, it has electronic image stabilization and it can shoot up to 4K. This phone resembles Oppo F9 Pro and Vivo V11 Pro. Also, we can say from the front, it perfectly looks like recently launched OnePlus 6T. Although it has a very effective price range, vary from 14,000 to 18,000 with 3 variants. Now let's talk about the cons. Back of the phone is made from plastic. Also, it is very slippery and it's fingerprint magnet. So you have to use this phone with TPU case. On the top of the Oreo, Realme has used ColorOS. Yes, this is the same OS that Oppo Mobile is using. In spite of having powerful processor and ample RAM, due to the OS, sometimes phone feels laggy. 3500 mAh battery is adequately enough for our use, but the charging is not fast charging. And also we don't have a USB Type-C. The rear camera doesn't take slow motion video. All in all, at this price point, we have gotten perfect phone with great design, display, camera and battery. When we hold this phone in our hand, it doesn't feel mediocre. It feels very premium. At the end of the video, I will put some sample shots that I have captured from this phone. And yes, if you like this video, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment your opinion. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter.